Morning everyone, this is Jeff from the Dark Side Workshop. We got a lot to show off in the workshop this morning. So we have a few things from Nostalgic 3D. They have a new set of Star Wars and Futurama figures that just came out. So let's take a look at some of those. So here is our Futurama and Star Wars character here for the Han Solo. Pretty cool. He's not wearing pants. I love it. And here we have his Calculon. So this is the C-3PO Futurama mashup here. This might be our next life size. So let me know what you guys think about that. Because we don't have a C-3PO upstairs in our Star Wars loft. So why not have a life-size one next to the life-size Vader, Stormtrooper, and R2-D2? So we were thinking, wouldn't it be fun to have the life-size Bender Fett and this? So if you guys like this idea, let us know what you think, and we'll start with this one. And here's our next one from the Nostalgic 3D new mashup that just came out, the version 2. This is Nibbler, R2-D2. This one turned out pretty good. I think we need to work on putting some supports right here. But other than that, I think for pictures, this one's good. It'll probably be done again for any customers that want it though, but look how cute that is. All right. And the last thing we have here is from our Masters of the Universe and Simpsons mashup. It's Battle Cat, Cringer. So we have done about 5 of these in the last few days for 2 orders, meaning that we've had failures, which is kind of weird because the Snapmaker's been really great. It prints really nice, but we did have some issues on 2 of them where, for whatever reason, there was a open line all the way around the back here. And then another one, the colors got swapped out, and we don't understand how that happened. So we think that the machine might have just swapped colors on us mid-print. We don't understand it, but other than that, the Snapmaker's been really good. But there are little issues that we've had with it. But overall, I mean, look how nice that came out. I mean, you can't even see any layer lines or anything. This thing is just, looks great. So, overall experience with the Snapmaker so far has been positive, so much so we bought a second one. But there are some things that we're trying to still figure out with the Snapmaker. So anyways, that's all we got this morning in the workshop. So like and subscribe to us in all of our channels, our YouTube, our Instagram, our TikTok. Make sure you go to each one of those places and hit those buttons for us and tell us what you think. All right, take care.